This literally took less than 10 minutes to make. This is what I like to call my healthy, lazy girl lunch dinner because everything's already made. So let me break it down for you. I have some carb sources. They're canned lentils, and I was going to use brown rice that I usually microwave, the microwavable Trader Joe's packs, but I don't have any brown rice. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this. I also don't have a full serving of lentils saved for my last can, so we're going to mix those together. I have pre-made chicken. You could also use your meal prep chicken or any protein source that you have, or let's say you don't have a protein source already made, do some egg whites. It's pure protein and it's so easy to make. Greens in there, I usually use arugula or kale, and I put that into a bowl and I mix it with some green goddess dressing. This is going to be a little bit of our fat source. If you need some more fats in this meal, add avocado. So let's put this together. Yum.